Good evening, boys and girls. I'm Dolores Jane Umbridge, and I think we're all going to be very good friends. Please, come into my office. It's almost time for happy hour, so I hope you are securely in your cage and that muzzle's on tight, because as of this decree 2020, all boys and girls must be in their cage and silenced, so I can drink in peace and I will have order. So, let's make this cocktail. You're just going to need a few simple ingredients. We have some lemon juice, some gin flavored with my favorite Earl Grey, some simple syrup, ooh, and just some egg whites. Ooh, I know what you're thinking, egg whites, how extraordinary. But to make a cocktail, you don't always need magic. Sometimes you can just do it with simple ingredients, and there will be no need to use spells in this class. So, how do we make this? First, you're going to need your martini shaker. Open it up. And we're going to put in our egg white. One whole egg white. Then we're going to need to measure out some alcohol. We're going to do half a shot. I think that's what you muggles call it. Half a shot of lemon juice. A full shot of our gin with Earl Grey. Students are to raise their hand if they want to speak in my class. Ta gull. Bitches. Throw in our gin. Oh, so lovely. And, of course, some simple syrup. How easy is this? We're going to do what we call a dry shake. Ooh, that doesn't go on there. I may have already had one cocktail, or just some tea, with just a little spike in it, because it's not easy being a teacher. Let's shake it up. No magic is necessary. Now, while we're doing this, let's answer some of those questions. I know it's been 25 years since you've last seen me. What have I been doing? Well, I've been working for the Americans now. That's why my accent has changed. And I've been working for the greatest president these muggles have ever had, Donald J. Trump, as an advisor, as a liaison to the wizarding community. Can you believe it? Oh, how I have fallen from greatness. But it wasn't easy getting away from those centaurs. I had to promise my soul to someone. And, well, here we are. All right. Oh, look how foamy and creamy that is. And no magic was necessary. See, don't need it. Now, we're going to shake it again with a little bit of ice. Let's throw in some ice cubes. Could just use a nice little spell if you don't have ice on hand. I know it's a muggle thing, but it's just so lovely to have. Here we go. We're going to shake it again now. Get it nice and cold. How lovely. Oh, it's nice and cold. No more sugar. Oh, it's so beautiful. We're going to take one of our lovely little cocktail glasses that I've rimmed with sugar. I give it a good, nice little rim job there, as you can see. Let's open her up. Throw in our cocktail. Make sure you get some of the nice foam. It makes it nice and creamy. Oh, beautiful. It takes a little second to come out, but once it does come out, you'll never get it back in. Oh, come on. just gonna throw a little lemon zest on top. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, it's perfection. Everything in order, just like I like it. Let's take a little sip. Oh, it's sinful, sinful. You have to make this for yourself. For Halloween, you can make it. I will have order! God damn it. They just never let you have any peace around here. These damn muggles. It's fine, it's fine. Now, as part of my message, it's not just about cocktails today. I was brought in by Donald Trump to speak to this wizarding community. You may have heard some rumors that a dark virus is... It's gone away. It's gone away. It's fine. It's fine. You may have heard rumors that this dark coronavirus is once again at large, but I assure you, this is a lie. And you must not tell lies. What is going on? Oh no, must be the centaurs again. Oh God, help me. I hope you've enjoyed this cocktail because it might be my last. They're coming for me. Oh shit.